Hey Paula, Corey here. Real quick, I'm just going to shoot over three free tips. Doing these three tips, you can actually drive more traffic and really outrank your competition and help grow your business. The three things I'm going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. When you're dealing with a site, Google likes to be around 1,500 to 2,000 words on that first page, being really authoric in what you do and how you do it. Plus, adding that much more content, you can layer in those keywords, and those keywords are how you're actually being found. And even these images right here, this is all content back here. You could switch that out, put buyer's intent keywords back there. That's just going to help with your rankings, so you can actually get on that first page of Google. If I go inside of Google and just type in eyelash extensions Orlando, this is what you're going to see. You got this little map pack here. Some people call it a 3-pack or whatever. But to get in this this area in the very top, you're going to be dealing with what's called a citation. You even have a bunch of businesses competing to get to the very top, even multiple pages as well. But to get in the very top, you're going to be dealing with what's called a citation. This the 3 slots is where all the traffic is actually getting landed. But these citations, what that is just an online business directory, the business name, address, phone number listed on it. So what we'd want to do is come in, do our research, and figure out your top competitors, what citations they have. We want to go get those same ones, but obviously we don't want to stop there. We want to go out there, completely outrank the competition. So we want to do maybe 50 or even 100 times the amount of citations that your competition has. So that way we just completely outrank them in the long run. Underneath the map pack, we have all the organic traffic. This is the first page of Google, and to find your page or your website there, it really comes down to making sure you have all that authoric content being found for those keywords, and also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website that's just ultimately pushing power back to it. Not all backlinks are actually created equal. If I take your URL and stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is a tool that lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. You're not running any referring domains or backlinks yet. You got about 2 clicks to your website, or excuse me, you're being found for 2 keywords, which are missing the traffic to your site. So coming in, here's you're being ranked for your name, factory salon there. But if I go in and put in the Lash Lounge, this is one of your competitors out there, put them inside of Ahrefs. They got 10 referring domains. This is just for their location page too. Pushing back 54 backlinks, 156 keywords they're being found for, which they're getting 243 clicks to their site every month. Coming in, seeing what they're actually ranking for. Here's all the keywords. This is what people are searching for, picking up their phone, laptop, whatever. They're typing in on how to, eyelash extensions, Orlando FL, right? So there's 150 clicks for that one keyword. Their first position, so they're getting 46 clicks out of the 150. Lash extensions Orlando, there's another 100 clicks, first position, getting 33 clicks out of the 100, 33%, not a bad ROI. So really coming in, finding all these different keywords that's going to help drive more traffic to your website, which those clicks will actually turn into customers as long as you're actually ranking on a good position there. But anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, and think that I might have a few tricks up my sleeve, I'd love to put a custom game plan to help you out there. Or if you just want to play these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine. I do love reviews, so if you want to give me a review on how I did in this video, that'd be awesome. Thanks, have a good day.